Hey there! Welcome to our deep dive into one of the most important skills in the pharmaceutical industry. If you're in the pharmaceutical world, you know that deviations are just part of the game. No matter how tight your processes are, unexpected things can and do happen. But handling them like a pro, that's where you really make your mark and show your expertise. That's what sets you apart from the rest and helps you build a reputation for reliability and excellence. So let's dive into the essentials of deviation management step by step so you can handle any situation with confidence. First off, let's talk about what a deviation actually is and why it matters so much. Simply put, a deviation is any departure from the standard procedures, protocols, or expected outcomes. It's like when your morning coffee routine gets interrupted and you have to switch to tea. It throws you off, even if just a little. While that might be a minor inconvenience at home in pharma, deviations can have serious implications for product quality, patient safety, and regulatory compliance. Step 1 in handling deviations is detection. You can't fix what you don't notice. Spotting it early is key. The sooner you catch a deviation, the easier it is to contain and correct. Think of it as catching a typo in an important email before it's sent off. It saves you from bigger headaches down the line. You need a keen eye and a proactive mindset. Being vigilant and attentive to detail is your first line of defense. Once you identify a deviation, the next step is to document it thoroughly. Details matter. Don't leave anything out. Who, what, when, where, and why. Capture every aspect so nothing slips through the cracks. It's like telling a good story. The more vivid, the better. Paint a clear picture for anyone who reviews your report. This documentation will be your best friend during investigations. It provides the foundation for understanding what happened. Speaking of investigations, that's our next biggie. This is where you dig in and get to the bottom of things. Dive deep into the root cause. Don't just scratch the surface. Look for underlying issues. It's not enough to know what went wrong. You need to understand why it happened so you can prevent it in the future. Was it human error, equipment malfunction, or something else entirely? Sometimes it's a combination of factors. Your goal is to prevent it from happening again. That's the real value of a thorough investigation. Now, on to corrective and preventive actions, or CAPA. This is where you turn insights into action. Once you know the root cause, you can fix the problem and stop it from recurring. This is how you build a culture of continuous improvement. Imagine it as fixing a leaky faucet. If you only patch the surface, the problem will come back. You wouldn't just mop up the water, you'd repair the leak at its source to prevent future messes. CAPA is the repair job of the pharma world. It's about making sure the same issue doesn't pop up again. Communication is another crucial element. Keep everyone informed at every stage of the process. Whether it's your team, management, or regulatory bodies, transparency builds trust and ensures everyone is on the same page. Think of communication as the glue that holds the whole process together. Finally, review and learn from every deviation. Each deviation is a learning opportunity. Don't let it go to waste. Use it to strengthen your processes. Evaluate what you did well and where you can improve next time. Share these lessons with your team. It's like refining a recipe. Each iteration gets better, and your results become more consistent. And there you have it. Deviation management isn't just a task, it's a mindset. By following these steps, you're not just handling deviations, you're mastering them and setting yourself up for long-term success. Remember, deviations are inevitable, but how you deal with them makes all the difference. Stay calm, stay focused, and keep improving. Keep learning, stay proactive, and you'll handle deviations like a pro. Thanks for tuning in and investing in your professional growth. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the pharma world. We're here to help you succeed. Until next time, keep those deviations in check and keep striving for excellence. Let's delve deeper into the critical importance of deviation management in the pharmaceutical industry, a field where precision and safety are paramount. Every process, from research to production, must adhere to strict standards to ensure the highest quality of medicines. Why does it matter so much? Imagine a scenario where a minor deviation goes unnoticed during tablet manufacturing. Even the smallest error can have far-reaching consequences, affecting not just the product, but the reputation and trustworthiness of the entire company. This seemingly small oversight could lead to a batch recall, costing millions and risking patient safety. Recalls can disrupt supply chains, create shortages, and erode public confidence in essential medications. But when handled effectively, Deviation management not only prevents disasters, but also strengthens trust with regulatory authorities and customers. It demonstrates a company's commitment to transparency, responsibility, and continuous improvement. Consider the case of a leading pharmaceutical company that detected a deviation during packaging. Instead of ignoring the issue, they took immediate action. By quickly documenting and investigating the issue, they discovered a faulty sensor. This proactive approach allowed them to trace the root cause and prevent further complications. Implementing a robust corrective action not only fixed the immediate problem, but also led to an upgrade across the entire production line, preventing future incidents and saving time and resources. This example highlights how effective deviation management can drive innovation and operational excellence. So, what are some advanced strategies for continuous improvement? The journey doesn't end with just fixing problems. It's about building a resilient system that anticipates and adapts to change. It starts with fostering a culture where employees feel safe to report deviations, no matter how minor. Regular training, automated detection systems, and open communication channels empower teams to act swiftly and confidently. Data analytics can help spot trends and recurring issues before they escalate. Integration is key. Linking deviation management with digital tools and real-time monitoring enhances visibility and control. Deviation management shouldn't exist in a silo. It should be woven into your overall quality management system. Cross-functional collaboration ensures that lessons learned are shared and best practices are adopted company-wide. This streamlines processes, ensures compliance, and drives consistent improvement. It also helps organizations stay ahead of regulatory changes and market demands. Stay tuned for more insights and practical tips. We'll continue to explore how you can elevate your quality systems and achieve operational excellence. By embracing these strategies, you'll transform deviation management from a reactive task into a proactive force for excellence, ensuring safer products, happier customers, and a stronger future for your organization.